Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is January 10th and the Bitcoin ETFs have been approved. Well, wouldn't you know? Yesterday we had that fake approval and today apparently it's a real one. So we are looking pretty good on the charts here. Bitcoin has definitely gone up a bit after that. Again, like yesterday, it kind of did the same thing just another time. We're sitting at 46.5 on Bitcoin, and actually Ethereum has really gone up a good amount. 8% on the day. It's up at $2,600 or just right around $2,600, and everything's looking good. I expect that we should see a 50,000 Bitcoin soon. We'll probably have some sell-offs again at some point, but yeah, if you think of the history here a bit of Bitcoin, for many years, all these institutions were saying you should never buy Bitcoin. It's a scam. It's going to go to zero, and all the FUD that they could think of, they had it. But here they are. They're all into it now, and I think that just goes to show that that these guys are not looking out for your best interest. You got to look after your own best interests in this market. So in my opinion, it's not a good idea to ever buy an ETF. I would highly suggest to buy the real thing, buy real Bitcoin and store it on your own cold storage, and just, yeah, have the real thing. Don't buy the fake thing, because that's pretty useless in my opinion, because there's going to be super high fees that go along with that and everything else. So really it's just making them rich, and you are going to be the one left to hung out to dry, so to speak. So anyways, yeah, I'm super excited about this. I'm super excited about where this market is going to go. 2024 and 2025 are turning out to be looking very, very bullish, and I'm just super excited to see where this market is going to go. I personally expect a $250,000 Bitcoin in 2025. But we'll see what happens. It could be there. It could get there sooner than I think. It could take a little longer than I think. You never know. It's just super fun to speculate and see what's going on, because once all these big companies are coming in, there's, I think, I don't know, what is there, 10 or 15 ETFs that are being approved here now. It's crazy. There's going to be trillions of dollars coming in through this. So I think that this is going to be the biggest bull run ever. Definitely the biggest bull run ever, and I'm super excited to be part of it. So I would say it's still an excellent time to be buying Bitcoin. Could easily 5x your money over the next 2 years. Ethereum is also an excellent thing, an excellent crypto to invest in. But of course, I am more into some of the smaller caps. I really like Kaspa. If you didn't know that yet on this channel, if it's your first time, thanks for stopping by. If you've been here and watched every one of my YouTube videos, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. I'm just here to try and help you guys navigate through this space. I know it can be pretty scary at times. It can be, you can get lost in this space. So I'm just trying to share a bit of my journey, and also give a few tips and tricks here and there as I can. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to drop a comment in the box below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love to answer any questions possibly, or if I don't know them, I'll try and find them for you. I've been in the space for a while. I'm definitely not I don't know it all, but I sure have learned a lot, and I'm going to continue to learn as much as I possibly can in this space, because I'm a crypto enthusiast. I love what I do. I do work a full-time job besides, but I'm just doing these videos here because I find that few people are that I have to do with are super interested in cryptocurrency. So this is a place where I can talk, and some people listen, and nobody needs to listen that doesn't want to. So anyways, I'm just rambling on here. Let's get into the Kaspa price here. That's the favorite here on the channel at this point. It had a nice little run up there to a bit over 12 cents, and it's cooling off a little bit, but we'll see how that goes. Like I mentioned a few videos back, I kind of doubt that we're going to be seeing much below 10 cents anymore, just because of where we are in the market now with the Bitcoin ETFs being approved. We're going to be continuing to move on up. If you look at the Bitcoin chart for the year to date, it has gone up like 160 some plus percent, and Kaspa has gone up significantly. I think Kaspa will be in the top 5 or 10 in the next bull run, just because of all the tech and the little bit of exposure that it has so far. There's no tier 1 exchanges, still not. I'm hoping for one or two this year yet, but you never know when it's going to be. There's none of the tier 1s have listed it yet, so I'm super excited about that one coming to tier 1 exchanges. We're going to get some really big rips out of this one, in my opinion. Also want to touch on Miro again, sorry, or Miro, sorry. Too many cryptos are in my head. Miro, it's sitting at 8.5 cents right now. It had a nice climb today. It's up 21.5, almost 22%. On the day, it was up to 9 cents, all-time high again. So I think they keep hinting at big things happening on their Twitter or X now. So if you are interested in that kind of stuff, you can follow Miro on X, quite active there. And yeah, it's a really interesting project to me. I'm very excited of where this one's going to go in the next bull run here, or even in the short term. I think there could be some tier 1 exchanges coming at some point. So the best way to make big gains on projects like this is to buy them early and then hold them until after there's been a tier 1 exchange listing. And that's what kind of, with all the buys from the retail, that's what can then pump the bags of the early investors, and then we can sell on them, which yeah, sounds kind of mean if you know what I mean, but that's just how this market works. Somebody's got to be a buyer, somebody's got to be a seller, and it is player versus player. Unfortunately, that's the way it works, and so we are here to try and make a lot of money this bull run. Also, I wanted to touch on Hello Labs again. I believe their kind of their initial killer whales show is going to be releasing. I think it's maybe the end of this month. I can't remember for sure, but it is. It's been at some pretty good discounts. Went touchdown into the 15-cent range today. So still an excellent buy, I believe. I think this one could make some huge multipliers yet. So I'm very excited about this crypto. It's new. It doesn't have any tier 1 exchanges either, and it is set to soar in the net 2024. So anyways, if you guys made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. We are going to try to make as much money in this bull run as we possibly can. So until next time, we will talk to you very soon.